Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Range Rover. So first thing we do is go to your music, onto music. You'll see there are Range Rovers at the bottom. Now if I click on that, tick next to Range Rover, that means anything that plays on your phone, any audio that plays on your phone will play through the system in the Range Rover. So if the tick's next to iPhone, just click on it and that'll be it. We'll go back to the record. It's playing. I'll turn it up. Now, if we go over to the system, we need to go to audio video. If I click on audio video there, you've got nothing. At the moment it's on radio. My music, there's nothing by the side of my music. So if I click on my music like so, it's saying please insert this. Wait for that to go, but now you've got Source Plus. Click on Source on the plus, and then you've got Barry's iPhone, then you've got all the different menus. So onto Barry's iPhone. So you have to click Source. Sometimes you have to click Source once in order to get the plus there. So that's it playing. That's set right. All I need to do is turn this up. And the sound system in here is absolutely brilliant. It really is.